This little bad boy came yesterday. Charged it up. About 2.5 hours. No, actually, I charged it for 2.5 hours, although it was telling me that it was fully charged in about an hour and a half, maybe. So I used it yesterday, and it did an awesome job. There was a couple of spots. I should have videoed it, but what happened was is that over here I had a couple of piles of sand and some type of debris. Anyway, I watched it for a while. When it finally died, I came out, and those two little piles were gone. So I was pretty impressed with that. And I tell you, it's saving me from some back-breaking, brushing of the bottom, and then grabbing the skimmer and trying to get things out. And I maintain this pool by myself. So maybe this year I'll get to go in it more so than I am having to clean it. Well, so far so good. Second charge here. Ran for the full hour and a half. And yeah, seemed to be working good so far, even though I'm hearing some negative stuff. But you know what? Sometimes we get lemons. I'd advise you not to order off that $47 deal because, yeah, it was like that 32-foot Intex pool that I thought I was getting last year for about 99 bucks. Never seen the pool. Lost my money. So I ordered off Amazon. Overall, I'm pretty impressed.
And when the battery is low, as you can see, it's going to slow down as well, and it won't go all the way to the other side of the pool. It'll just come back when it's at right at the middle, and it'll just in turn get stuck, as you can see here. And I've been wanting it to go on the other side of the pool, but it hasn't done that. So I don't know if it's really smart or it's just, I don't know, not that efficient when it comes down to mapping out the whole pool. You have some, really dirty spots. And it's been going around here for 3 hours. So yeah, you see it's not moving. So it's not really that smart, and for someone who's going to pay over $300 for it, I think you would be better off saving your money and adding more and saving more and just buy something that's more efficient and better quality wise.
So I would say that it's been in there 15, maybe 20 minutes. And I would estimate that it has picked up 70% of what was there. I wish I had taken a picture beforehand. It really looks like it's leaving a lot of fluff behind it. But the pool just looks so much cleaner all of a sudden. It's kind of funny to watch.
Okay, so it's 2:11. I put it in at 136 and it's already out of juice, and did not do a great job at all. So I'm not too impressed overall. And it's there waiting to be picked up. It's out of battery juice, and that was 136 and it's 2:11 now. So not the 90-minute time, not even close. I know, it's kind of cool looking though. Yeah, it looks like a turtle in there. Oh my god.
L'aspirateur est chargé. Ça fait le fil fonctionne, mais l'aspirateur ne fonctionne plus. Ça avait arrêté d'un coup de fonctionner. Là, elle fonctionnait très bien, puis là, ça ne fonctionne plus. À 250 260 quelques dollars après un été, là, c'est pas normal.
30 seconds, drop it in.
Oh.
Ça encore trop de miel, non? Il y en a deux, mais. Il y en a deux.
Ouais.
Hein?
Mm-hmm.